Hey people, welcome back. So today we will see how we can create web job in Azure. So before creating web job in Azure, let's first understand what is web job and why we are using it. So web job is nothing but it's a feature of app service. Now what is app service? App service is a service provided by Azure by which we can deploy our web application, mobile applications or microservices or functions. People who don't know how to create app service, just visit my channel and you can watch the video here there. Okay, so let's come to web job. Web job is a feature of app service by which we can host a particular task or service in background. Now for example, in real-time projects there is a requirement like for example, I want to send a mail to particular user when the entry will add into table of database. So whenever the new entry will add into table, it automatically send the mail to the particular user. Now we can do it by using schedulers which are in SQL Server, and we can also create Windows service, right? So we can also achieve it by using web jobs. Now in web jobs we can give a different type of files. For example, we can load exe files, JavaScript files, Python scripts files, different scripts files, right? And we can also set the processes like long or short in web jobs. So let's start. So before creating web job, we have to create first app service. So just type here app service. App service by which we can deploy our web application, mobile application or services or functions. So I'm using my Visual Studio Professional subscription. So resource group, I have already created that resource group. Web app name, web app service demo 1. Okay, so select the runtime stack as .NET Core 2.2 2.1. Right now we are not accessing it or doing some coding by .NET Core framework, so I will tell you. So just select region as East US. You can select any region as per the availability of resources, and just go to next tab, enable application inside. I don't need it right now. Go to next. You can provide a tag, for example app service 1. So go to next. It is validating the process, I mean our deployment. Okay, so let's create web app first. Now we can create a web jobs by using Visual Studio and on Azure portal itself also. So let's first create web job by Azure portal, and then we will see how we can create Azure web jobs through Visual Studio. So your deployment is underway, so let's wait for some time. Okay guys, so my deployment is completed, so just go to resource. Now what I will do, I will create a practical I will show you a practical demo. So what I will do, I will print 0 to 5 numbers continuously. So for that I need a program, console application program, C# program. So I have already created application like print number. So let's print 0 to 5 number, I less than 5 and I plus plus. So I less than 5, and will print console dot write line print number, printing number I. Okay, so let's build it, because the exe file will require in for creating Azure web job. So just build it. So meanwhile, what we will do, we'll create a web job. So I already told you web job is a part, or it's a feature of app service. So just scroll down, and if you see there is a web job link, just click it, and we'll add a web job, first web job. So web job print number. So now it is showing file upload. So here you can upload a exe file, JavaScript file, or a Python file. I mean, you can upload that scripting files. For more information, you can visit MSDN website. So what will be I will do, I will copy the path of this exe, bin debug. I will copy, and I will just paste here. You see, I am selecting that exe file. So just select it, and here is a type. So continuous, there are two types of web jobs, continuous and trigger. If you select, there is option showing triggered and continuous. So continuous means web jobs will run continually until stopped, and trigger web jobs will run only when triggered. So trigger means you can set a particular time, so on which event it will trigger the web jobs, and continuous means it will continuously execute your web job or your task in background. And I am selecting as scale as a single instance right now, because it's just a demo purpose. So just click OK. It is adding a web job. Okay, now right now it's not showing me any web job here, so just refresh it. Yes, so we successfully added this web job print number. Now if you select it and go to logs, it will give you a UI for that web particular, how many web jobs are in which are running continuously, and their events or their information. So let's check here. Okay, so you can see web job name is web job print number, it's pending restart, and last run time runs continuously. So just click it, it's loading the information. If you see, it's printing 0 to 1, printing number 0 1 2 3 4 5. Let's wait for 1 minute, and like now it is continuously running in background. It will print this 0 to 4 number continuously. So just refresh the server. If you want a better UI for web jobs, there are storage account in which we can see a better UI for the web jobs. So just refresh it. The last run time is 12:25. Let's refresh it continuously. I just want to show you it is running continuously. So okay guys, so let's check. If you see my that particular task, I have told you the last run was 12:25, right? You can see there, and now it is continuously running. So again the task ran, and the numbers are here 0 to 4. Now the time is 12:26. So before was 12:25, now 12:26. So it's continuously running in background. Now here we are created these web jobs in Azure. Now we can also create this web job using Visual Studio. So just go to Visual Studio. You just have to click on that solution, and there is option publish as Azure web jobs. So just click it. And I already told you web job is a feature, it's a part of app service. So you have to select the app service. So you can select the resource group and see, this is my app service, and when you click OK, it will deploy your web job to that particular app service on Azure. So I don't it right now. So yes, we have successfully created web jobs, and I will show you some how to create the Azure storage account for web jobs for better UI in next video. So that's it from my side. See you in the next video. Thank you.